the two people, Sonam Raghuvanshi and Raja Raghuvanshi, they were last seen on Thursday, on the 22nd. They had gone to Molakyat, and they had hired a scooty from here, Yamaha Cygnus scooty from Speeding Road, and they had gone to Molakyat. And from there they had gone to Nongriat. They had stayed in a place called Shipara Homestay in Nongriat. And thereafter, the next day at 5:30 in the morning, they had left that place and come back to Molakyat. So the scooty was not there anymore in Molakyat, but the scooty on the 23rd was reported by the community stakeholders of Sauraram that there was one abandoned scooty out there near Golden Pines Dhaba, which is in Sauraram, and the scooty was brought to the police station. Thereafter, we got to know from police control of this missing couple. Relatives also called us. We've registered a missing report. Search is on for them, and all efforts are on. All stakeholders have been alerted. All the villages, surrounding villages, have been alerted to look out for them, because now we are trying to trace the places where they went, and the last place was in Sauraram, and now we need to see from there branch out to different adjoining villages. All our police have flanked to different villages, so effort is on.
You suspect any foul play?
See, I can't say at this juncture. We need to find them. So our effort is to find. Our priority is to find them. They've gone there as tourists and all that, and they've been to Nongriat. They've been out from Nongriat. So early morning they had left Nongriat. So we need to find them.
So second instance of this kind within a matter of 2 months.
True.
So what do you have to say about this?
We at this juncture, it'd be too premature to say anything, and our priority was to search for them right now. Yeah. How they got lost, we can't say and all that, but because they hired the scooty for 4 days, so it could be that they lost their way. It could be anything. So it's too premature to say anything. The advisory had gone. In fact, they had taken a guide from Molakyat to Nongriat also. So a guide was with them. But thereafter, coming back, there was no guide. And from Molakyat, they have only left in the scooty because the key was there in the scooty in Sauraram. So we'll have to find